The USC Shoah Foundation Visual History Archive is a large database of over 50,000 video testimonies of survivors and witnesses of genocide. The database contains over 100,000 hours of testimony, but there are many advanced search features to help you with your research. You can enter a search by a keyword in the main field, but these 4 advanced search options I would like to walk you through so that you can best capture the information you are looking for. You can begin your search with experience group, which allows you to start by a particular conflict or subcategory of witnesses. You can also use the index. The index is the database of the thesaurus, which lets you use the same controlled vocabulary for particular terms in your query. The people search allows you to find the testimony of a specific person. If you have the name, you would enter it here, but you can also use a starts with or a phonetic matching, and you can also limit by gender. The Places Advanced Search allows you to begin your search geographically. There's an interactive map, and you can browse locations based on continents, and they drill down pretty well from continents to countries to cities and towns. So let's take a look at some example searches. Say you were looking for the testimony of a female survivor of the Rwandan genocide. You would go into experience groups. You would select survivor for Rwanda, and you would get about 67 results. So you can further limit that by only looking at English language results, and even further for a female testimony. And then you would be able to locate testimony for your particular query.
Today's
What they used to sing, we used to love those songs.
You can also
We
search
used to
in the testimony by
say what
indexing terms, and this will allow you to jump to a particular point in the interview that covers one of these controlled vocabulary terms.
We understood really why they attacked Rwanda. We understood that they are on.
So let's try another sample search. Say you were looking for the childhood perception of a witness from a camp liberation. So these are our topics, and the best place to start here would be under the index. So if you are looking for a particular point of view research, here under the subcategory of feelings and thoughts, you can look under awareness, and here we go, childhood perceptions. You can add that to your search, and these Boolean operators will allow you to combine another search facet. So let's look for childhood perceptions, particularly as it pertains to camp liberation. So here under liberation, we have camp liberation. We can add that search term, and the Boolean operators will help us find information that contains both of those terms. And here we have 8 different testimonies. And by selecting the testimony, it will bring us to the exact point where this witness talks about his experiences
What do you remember?
as a child during camp
I remember
liberation.
this very clearly, the smell of the trucks, you know, the rubber from the tires, and I always associated that smell of all these trucks rolling in and soldiers getting off. And
It's pretty powerful. Good luck.